If Telegram is showing an application error on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes that can help get the app working again. We'll start with the simplest step, then move into a couple of Windows fixes that often solve the problem when Telegram refuses to open properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to close any background Telegram processes that might be causing the issue. Sometimes Telegram is still running in the background even when it looks like it has closed, and that can trigger an application error when you try to reopen it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for Telegram or Telegram Desktop. When you find it, right-click on it and choose End Task. This forcefully closes the process and gives Telegram a fresh start. After that, try opening Telegram again and see if the error is gone. If Telegram still isn't working, the next step is to run it as an administrator. This is important because sometimes Telegram needs extra permissions to launch correctly or access certain system files. To do this, go to your desktop or start menu and find the Telegram shortcut icon. Right-click the icon, then click Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes or confirm the prompt. This gives Telegram elevated access and can often bypass the error message. Once it opens, check whether the application launches normally this time. Now, if you're still getting the same issue, the next fix is to flush your network cache. Telegram is a cloud-based app, so network configuration problems can sometimes cause startup or connection errors. To do this, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig, flush DNs, and press Enter. This clears out your DNS cache. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network stack, which can help fix deeper connection-related problems. After running both commands, restart your PC to make sure the changes take effect. Once your computer restarts, open Telegram again and test it one more time. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will fix the application error and get everything loading properly again. If the problem was caused by a stuck process, a permission issue, or a network cache problem, this should clear it up. If this tutorial helped, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Telegram fixes like login problems, verification errors, or app not opening issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.